In this episode, we'll discuss command line interfaces for both WordPress and ProcessWire. WP-CLI is a project for WordPress that provides a command line interface. You can use it to update plugins, create posts, and much more, all from within the command line. Here is a comprehensive list of the commands that you can perform. So let's test it out by creating a new user by using the user command. I've gone ahead and already installed WP-CLI. Let's verify that it is in fact installed. As you can see, it is installed and it displays our PHP version, the ini file being used, and much more information. Now let's create a user. First, I'll type the command without any parameters to get documentation on what parameters are necessary. I'll need to type in the command based off of this information. So let's do that now. We'll call our user test1. Give them an email address, and now assign a role and a password. And as you can see, our user was created. And if we view the users list in the admin section, we can in fact see that the user is present. WireShell is a project similar to WP-CLI that allows you to interact with ProcessWire using the command line. Like WP-CLI, you can use it to update and install plugins, create pages and users, and much more. Here are a list of commands that you can conduct with WireShell. So, like we did with WP-CLI, let's use WireShell to create a user. First, let's run the command without any parameters. And as you can see, it provides us with a list of all of the available commands. Now, let's actually create a user. I'll give it a username of test1. I'll assign them to the role of superuser and assign a password. And as you can see, the user has been created. If we go to the user section inside of the admin, you can see that our user has in fact been created.